For centuries, Croatia's most breathtaking wonders have remained hidden, not in its famous beaches or bustling cities, but in places so timeless they feel untouched by the modern world. Today, we unveil landscapes so extraordinary they redefine everything you thought you knew about this country. Imagine medieval hilltop towns like Motovun, where centuries-old stone walls stand watch over rolling vineyards and misty valleys. Towering waterfalls carve their way through lush emerald forests, while sun-drenched islands stretch into the endless blue of the Adriatic. From the tranquil Kornati archipelago to the medieval heart of Zadar, join us as we journey through Croatia's best-preserved places and natural wonders, uncovering what makes this land one of the most captivating and storied destinations in the world. Plitvice Lakes National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of Croatia's most stunning natural wonders. Located in the mountainous region of central Croatia, near the border with Bosnia and Herzegovina, the park covers nearly 300 square kilometers of breathtaking landscapes. The park is famous for its 16 interconnected lakes, which cascade into one another through a series of waterfalls. These lakes, ranging in hues from emerald green to turquoise blue, are created by the unique process of travertine formation, where mineral-rich water builds natural barriers over time. This ever-changing phenomenon makes Plitvice a dynamic and living natural masterpiece. One of the most fascinating aspects of Plitvice is its biodiversity. The park is home to over 1,200 plant species, 320 bird species, and a variety of animals, including deer, wolves, and even brown bears. Visitors can explore the park through a network of wooden walkways and hiking trails that provide stunning views of the waterfalls and serene lakes. Plitvice Lakes National Park is not just a Croatian gem, but a global treasure, offering a truly magical experience for nature enthusiasts. From the serene, cascading lakes of Plitvice, we now journey south to the sun-drenched island of Hvar, a jewel of the Adriatic Sea. Known for its vibrant energy, historical charm, and natural beauty, Hvar is a stark yet stunning contrast to Croatia's lush inland wonders. Located off the Dalmatian coast, Hvar is famed for its Mediterranean climate, offering over 2,700 hours of sunshine annually, earning it the nickname the sunniest spot in Croatia. Its azure waters, lavender fields, and olive groves create a sensory paradise that captivates visitors. The town of Hvar itself is a charming blend of history and luxury. Its cobblestone streets are lined with Gothic palaces, medieval fortresses, and a 16th century cathedral that tells stories of the island's rich past. Above the town, the Spanish fortress offers panoramic views of the harbor and Kornati Islands, a must-see for breathtaking sunsets. Continuing along Croatia's dazzling coastline, we arrive at the Kornati Islands, an archipelago of unparalleled natural beauty and serenity. Located in the central Adriatic, the Kornati Islands National Park consists of 89 islands, islets, and reefs, making it the densest archipelago in the Mediterranean. Known for their rugged, barren landscapes and crystal-clear waters, the Kornati Islands are a haven for sailors, divers, and nature lovers. The limestone cliffs known as crowns rise dramatically from the sea, offering stunning views and a sense of raw, untouched beauty. Despite their sparse vegetation, the islands harbor a surprising amount of biodiversity, including rare plant species and vibrant marine life. One of the fascinating aspects of the Kornati Islands is their human history. Ancient dry stone walls crisscross the islands, remnants of past agricultural practices. The park is also dotted with Roman ruins and small stone chapels, hinting at a long and storied past. Accessible primarily by boat, the Kornati Islands offer a peaceful escape from the modern world. But just beyond these secluded shores, history calls. A short journey inland brings us to Zadar, a historic coastal town where the echoes of the past meet the pulse of the present. One of Croatia's oldest cities, Zadar stands as a vibrant blend of ancient history and modern charm. As you wander its narrow cobblestone streets, you'll find Roman ruins, medieval architecture, and contemporary art seamlessly intertwined. At the heart of Zadar lies the Church of St. Donatus, an iconic landmark, and one of the finest examples of early medieval architecture in the country. Built in the 9th century, the circular church is a masterpiece of pre-Romanesque design, constructed atop the remnants of a Roman forum. This fascinating layering of history is visible in the church's base, where ancient Roman stones are repurposed in its foundation. The church is no longer used for worship, but serves as a venue for concerts, thanks to its extraordinary acoustics. Zadar's charm lies in its ability to merge the past and present effortlessly. Whether exploring its ancient landmarks or enjoying its vibrant waterfront, Zadar offers a unique glimpse into Croatia's cultural and historical richness. Krka National Park, located in central Dalmatia, is a natural wonder celebrated for its stunning waterfalls, diverse ecosystems, and historical landmarks. Spanning over 109 square kilometers, the park is centered around the Krka River, whose cascading waterfalls and emerald pools create a breathtakingly picturesque landscape. The most famous feature of the park is Skredinsky Buk, a series of travertine waterfalls and pools where visitors can admire the power and beauty of nature. Another must-see is Roški Slap, a quieter yet equally mesmerizing waterfall surrounded by lush greenery. Krka is also a haven for biodiversity, with over 850 plant species and a variety of wildlife, including otters, herons, and more than 200 bird species. Its rich ecosystems are supported by the unique limestone geology of the region, which forms natural barriers and habitats for countless species. In addition to its natural splendor, Krka National Park is steeped in history. The park is home to the 14th century Visovac Monastery, set on an island in the middle of a tranquil lake, and the remains of Roman aqueducts and fortresses. Whether hiking, birdwatching, or exploring its cultural landmarks, Krka National Park offers a perfect blend of nature, history, and tranquility. From the serene cascades and lush biodiversity of Krka National Park, we journey to Rovinj, a coastal gem on Croatia's Istrian Peninsula. Known for its vibrant maritime heritage, Rovinj seamlessly blends the charm of a fishing town with the elegance of a historic cultural hub. The heart of Rovinj is its picturesque old town, where narrow cobblestone streets wind their way to the hilltop church of St. Euphemia. This stunning Baroque church, dedicated to the town's patron saint, dominates the skyline with its tall bell tower, inspired by Venice's St. Mark's Campanile. Inside, the church houses the relics of St. Euphemia, whose legend and legacy are central to Rovinj's identity. Rovinj's strong connection to the sea is evident everywhere, from its bustling harbor filled with colorful fishing boats to its maritime history. The town's roots as a fishing village are still alive, with fresh catches featured in local cuisine. Visitors can also explore the nearby archipelago, made up of 14 islands, perfect for kayaking or sunset cruises. Zlatni Rat, often called the Golden Horn, is one of Croatia's most iconic beaches. Located on the island of Brač near the town of Bol, this stunning pebble beach is famous for its unique shape, which shifts with the winds and tides. Stretching into the Adriatic Sea, Zlatni Rat is surrounded by crystal-clear turquoise waters, making it a paradise for swimmers, sunbathers, and windsurfers. The beach is backed by fragrant pine trees offering shade and a peaceful ambience. Easily accessible by boat or a scenic walk, Zlatni Rat is a must-visit destination for its natural beauty and distinctive charm. Veli Lošinj, a charming town on the island of Lošinj in Croatia, is a hidden gem that combines rich maritime history with stunning natural beauty. Despite its name, which means Big Lošinj, the town is smaller than its counterpart, Mali Lošinj, but boasts a fascinating past and serene atmosphere. Historically, Veli Lošinj thrived as a hub for shipbuilding and maritime trade, with its picturesque harbor lined by pastel-colored houses and elegant villas reflecting its prosperous seafaring legacy. The town is also home to the 15th century Church of St. Anthony, a beautiful example of coastal architecture. Nature lovers will find Veli Lošinj equally captivating. Surrounded by lush greenery and aromatic Mediterranean plants, the area is known for its clean air and diverse wildlife, including dolphins often spotted off its shores. Continuing our journey through Croatia, we move inland to the medieval hilltop town of Motovun. Nestled in the heart of Istria, this enchanting town is known for its well-preserved walls and ancient architecture, offering stunning views of the surrounding vineyards and forests. Motovun's history dates back to Roman times, though it flourished during the Venetian era, as evidenced by its Renaissance-style buildings and the iconic town gate. The town's unique charm is enhanced by its winding streets, old town squares, and the annual Motovun Film Festival, making it a cultural hub in the Istrian countryside.